I'm Nell's solo parent and hardworking mom. They call her loud and unshakable, but beneath that confidence, a personality that thrives on drama, envy, and destruction. In today's episode, I talk about the Racos Filipina, the one who doesn't just lack moral fiber. She has a full-blown psycho mentality. If you rise above her, she'll pull you right back down. If you have something good going for you, she'll either try to take it or make sure you lost it. She's not your shy, modest province girl. No, this one is Rakos. You'll hear here before you see here. She is quick to talk over people, laughs the loudest in the room, and when challenged, she will go into full attack mode. But what makes her dangerous is her lack of moral boundaries. She will betray a friend if it benefits her. She will start rumors just to ruin someone's chances. She will justify everything with, it's just how life works. She doesn't play fair because fairness is not her goal. Whining, attention, and control are. In the Philippines, crab mentality is well known. If I can't have it, neither can you. This type of Filipina mentality is not just a bad habit, it's her main strategy. You start a small business and she will gossip that your products are fake or overpriced. You get a promotion. She will see you flirting your way to the top. You find love, she will dig for dirt or spread lies to make your partner doubt you. She believes life and a competition where someone else's success equals her failure. The louder she is, the more she tries to drown out the truth that deep down she's terrified of being left behind. Moral fiber is about doing what's right even when it's hard. This Filipina, she takes shortcuts. She believes ethics are for losers. She will lie without blinking, cheat without guilt, and betray without remorse. She can smile at you while plotting your downfall. She grew up in environments where manipulation was rewarded. She has seen that being nice doesn't always get results, so she can choose the opposite. She mistakes fear for speed and will do anything to keep people intimidated. In her mind, morality is weakness, and weakness gets eaten alive. Foreigners in the Philippines, meeting her can be a thrill at first. She's bold, confident, and seems fun, but eventually, her true nature surfaces. She will create chaos in your relationships, pit people against each other, and even turn your own friends or family against you. Once you're no longer useful, she'll discard you and act as if you never existed. Her goal isn't partnership, it's control. Her tool isn't love, it's manipulation. And her legacy isn't growth, it's destruction. Not all Filipinos are like this. But when you encounter the Racos one with no moral fiber, you'll know. She is not here to build with you. She is here to climb on your back and kick you down when she's done. The best defense from here is distance. The best revenge is living well without here. Because nothing makes a psycho angrier than watching you escape be successful. Thank you for subscribing, watching, and donating to my channel. We are family. See you next episode.